All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 1288, State of Texas versus Blas Casimiro. Can I have parties announce and approach for the record for the state?
Lindsay Shock, the state.
Defense.
Valentina Fulton from Mr. Blas Casimiro.
Are you Mr. Casimiro? Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention, second or more? That is a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, state recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 694997. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceeding with sentencing,
Yes, Your Honor.
anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he's accepted responsibility and we would respectfully request to follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right, Mr. Casimiro, have you ever had a mental health evaluation or mental health issues?
When I was younger,
All right, were you ever diagnosed with anything?
just the ADHD, schizophrenia.
All right, do you live by yourself or with someone?
My mother.
Okay, do you have any children?
No.
Are you employed or receive SSI?
I have no employment.
Do you receive SSI?
No, ma'am.
All right, and does your mother want you living with her?
From right now, yes. I talked to her yesterday. She said yes.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication, taking consideration 694997. We'll do a MIC evaluation. Are you on any type of medications at the jail?
No.
All right. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, TAP evaluation. That can be done while he's out of custody. If you miss any of these appointments, you're going to end up having these evaluations done in custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to want field visits one time per month until the MIC evaluation is completed. And let's do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services, proof of employment or SSI within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Mr. Blas, do you need anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. If there's anything you need, just let your probation officer or the court know, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank
Your
you.
Honor.
Court is calling 2023 CR 1288, State of Texas versus Blas Christian Casimiro. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Forrest Good on behalf of the defense.
And are you Mr. Casimiro?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Blas Christian Casimiro Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 1288 for the offense of evading arrest or detention 2 or more on April 25th, 2023 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Blas Christian Casimiro Jr., the then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed on May 25th, 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
That's true.
That state waives all the violations, Judge.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Judge, there's no agreement. We're going over to the court.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
We're requesting 18 months in the state jail.
Defense, what are you requesting?
We're requesting a state fee and a continuation of probation.
Probation, what is your recommendation on Mr. Casamiro?
Your Honor, recommendation is revocation.
All right, what I can tell you, because your client has 2 pending offenses, they're not going to accept him. So I don't know, what has he done on probation?
Your Honor, he failed to report to probation. He hasn't done anything.
He had a very rough start, Your Honor. And it was only until before he got arrested that he was starting to make moves towards being able to
And why was he arrested?
possession and trespass, Your Honor.
See, the number 1 rule when you're on probation is don't pick up any more cases. Not only did he pick up more cases, but he hasn't done anything, didn't report, didn't do anything. There's nothing for me to do with that. He hasn't done anything. Obviously, he doesn't want to be on probation.
I do need to just, when I called, I was at the hospital, I was sick, I had a
All
fever.
right, you want to raise your right hand for me?
Yeah.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Blas Casimiro.
All right. So here's the thing. You're under oath. That means the state can get you, is allowed to ask you questions. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So for me, the fact that you were in the hospital, allegedly, it didn't stop you from picking up a criminal trespass in a drug case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So again, we're back to the point. Why can people not report? That's the easiest thing to do. You just report. If there's an issue, if there's a drug use issue, if there's a mental health issue, I'll address that. But I cannot have the report. And not only did he not report, he allegedly picked up new cases. And I remember this case. I'm the one who wrote everything down. And I wrote this down based upon my evaluation of him. And he did nothing. All he did while he was on probation was pick up new cases. So I can't help him. He doesn't want to be helped. And sometimes you can't help people. All right, I'm going to find you guilty, grant the motion. Counsel, do you want to speak? The state is asking for 18 months.
We asked for a year.
All right. So then the question becomes, what is his criminal history? Why are we at 18 months? Because I can
Judge,
sentence you to the full 2 years.
the main reason why I did 18 months, as far as I could tell, there was no violent criminal history that he'd been convicted on. There were a few cases. It was also due to the fact that since he was on deferred, and he did nothing, that was another consideration why I went more than a year.
Thank you. All right, counsel, anything you wish to say?
I have nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. I'll give you credit for any time served. If you would like, I can request that you be placed in the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase your time in the facility, but it's just something that may can help you if you have a drug or alcohol use issue. Would you like that?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to ask for the therapeutic community as well.
And Judge, the state will take into consideration the 2 other open cases.
Okay, and then the state is saying that they're going to take into consideration the other cases, so you won't have those. I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is not a plea bargaining agreement, so you do have a
So what's
limited
this?
right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on probation. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're off the record. You have a question?
So I'm going to prison, right?
You're going to the state jail facility. It's slightly different from prison, but it's still prison.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're going to have to do better. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Who's here?